Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Today, inshallah, we are going to use to explain the motion path and how we can use it in Autodesk Maya. Usually, we use the motion path to make an object or a model or a group of models follow that motion path and move based on that motion path. For example, we can animate a camera inside the scene by using a motion path. We can fix or specify the camera movement. Also, we can use them to animate cars or vehicles, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to use the motion path to animate the bus inside the scene. So I need to create the motion path first. Here inside the curves, I'm going to use the Bezier curve. It's better to go to the top and then I can start. Here I can start creating the curve. Because the bus on the right, on the left, I'm going to keep it on the left and I'm going to move the ambulance here to the right for now. Because now I need to fix the curve. Here I need to fix the curve here. Right click, control vertex. And this will be good, but I need to fix them here from the top. Yeah, now it's okay, but I need to increase the curve area here because here we have a bus that will rotate. So a bus as a vehicle is huge. It will need a lot of an extra space to rotate. Yeah, now it's okay. You can fix it by adding more and extra vertices. If you want to delete a point, you can select that point and then click on delete. If we want to add a point, we need to convert the curve to curve point, and then we can specify any area, any place we want, for example here, and then we can also click on insert node, and then you will find a new point added here. This is how you can insert or delete a point to the curve, how you can control the points by using the control vertex. After we finish the our curve, now I'm going to start working on the attaching the bus to this motion path. First of all, I need to select the move controller for the bus, and then the motion path for the curve I have. I need to click here and select animation, and here inside constraint, I have motion path. I need to attach to motion path. I need to click on the options. Here inside the option, first of all, we have the time range. We can specify the time, the duration for the object moving over the path. We can specify the time slider, the whole time slider. We can specify a start, or we can specify a start and end. For example, here I'm going to use the start and end, but here I'm going to make it 200 from start at frame 1 until frame 200. Here we have the front axis and up axis. That's mean in our inside in our object, where is the front and where is the up for our object. For example, here the for this bus, and based on this, I have the front in Z axis, but in Z axis in that direction, to right, not to left. So I have it in minus Z. So here in the front axis, I need to select Z axis, up, of course, Y. But for the front, I need to inverse the front to reverse it to make the front in minus Z axis. If the car placement toward the in X axis, I need to select X axis or Y. It depends on the object we have. So we can specify the front. As I said, here we have the front of the bus here in Z axis based on this blue axis, Also, we have it in Y, so in minus. Because of that, I inverse the front. After I specify these things, I need to hit on apply. Let me close it. Now I hit on play here. You can see that the bus start moving over the motion path. And you can see from here. Okay, now I'm moving the object over the motion path. For example, if I want the bus to stop here for a few, for 2 seconds, for example, and then continue moving. So here at frame, at frame 96, I'm going to stop the bus here. How can I stop the bus? Here inside the attribute editor, we have the motion path. I can set a key here for the U value. U value refers to the bus movement over the motion path. So I'm going to set a key here. And for example, I want the bus to stop for 1 second, for example. So here from 69 until 120. I need to set another key, and then I need to click here to go inside the time, inside the motion path time. And here you can see that I have the first frame and the end. The motion path, the animation over the motion path will start at frame 1 until 20, until 200. And here in the middle, I have the 2 frames I added. In order to make the bus stop at the frame 69 until 120, I need to copy that value at 69 and paste it here to make the position of the bus over the motion path the same between these two keys, between these 2 frames. So I copied this value and I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to hit enter. Now the bus will reach here, will stop. After frame 120, it will start moving again. And this is how we can stop the any object movement over the motion path. Okay, for example, if we have a problem with the object arrangement, or with the object facing or attribute here over the motion path, we can fix them by using the controllers also inside the motion path. For example, I explained to you the front axis. I can change it from here, for example, to Y, to Z. I can put it back to Z. If I remove the inverse, you can see that the bus will face the other direction. Also, the Y, I can change it. The up, I can inverse the Y also from here. This is in a brief how we can use the motion path. Here I use it to animate the bus, but you can use it to anything. As I said, you can place a camera and move that camera over a motion path to create a smooth movement of for a shot, for example. Okay, now let us complete the animation for the bus. Here I'm going to make to add a key to the speed and rotation. But of course, at the beginning, key selected. Focus on something here. You are not allowed, you cannot add a key to all the attribute. If you add a key to all attribute, it will disconnect the relationship between the bus or the connection between the bus and the motion path. So you cannot press on S here. Only you need to add a key for speed and rotation. And here before at 95, the rotation here 10, the speed 100. At the beginning, I'm going to make the rotation also 10. And here at frame 96, both of them 0. At 181, the speed, the rotation 10, and the speed 100. And here 120 is rotation and speed must be 0 until the end, both of them correct. Here 0 and here 0, 100, but here the speed I'm going to make it 0, start from 0 until 100 to add some acceleration. Now I need to come here and then I'm going to hit on the play. Okay, let me try to, I need to increase the rotation. Start working. I'm going to make the rotation, for example, 40. I need to check the bus at the beginning. Here also 40. Okay, let me try the, yeah, I need to work on minus, not plus. Okay, minus 5. Let me try minus 5. And here also minus 5. Yeah, now it's very slow. I need to check to make sure which is what is the best value. Okay, minus 20. Let me go to increase it more. Minus 50. Yeah, need a little more. For example, minus 60. Yeah, now it work because I have here the bus is moving very fast. Because of that, I need to increase the rotation a lot. So here, minus 60. 0, 0, minus 60, minus 60. 'Okay, let me try something to make the, going to make it slow a little more. Yeah, now, of course, here I need to fix the curve a little. Yeah, let me try now. Yeah, now it make more sense. But of course, here, when the to add a key to the rotation, to add the rotation, and here I'm going to make it 1, and here I'm going to make it 0. Yeah, now makes sense. I add 3 keyframes for the wheel rotating left and right controller. And that's in brief how you can create an animation for a vehicle. Firstly, we need to add the controllers, and we explained that in the previous tutorial. And then you can move the vehicle by using a motion path. You can fix the motion path by uh, the control vertex, and then you can manipulate the motion path time as I explained, and then you can create the animation. Don't forget the wheel rotation and the front wheel rotating left and right. And that's it for today, and thank you.